explain arc voltage and classify methods of arc extinction. So in the figure you can visualize the relation between the arc voltage and arc current at the time of short circuit. You can see this is the short circuit current, that is the arc current, and this is the arc voltage. See this? Yes. So arc voltage can be found out or given by the equation, that is E subscript A, that is the arc voltage or EMF of the arc is equals to A plus B into L under root of I. So L divided by under root of I. So A and B both are constant. EA is the arc voltage, L is the length of the arc, and I is the arc current magnitude. The path of this arc is the highly resistive one. So the arc current is naturally in phase with the arc voltage due to the resistive nature. There is increase in the arc length at every loop. So there is increase in the arc length or arc voltage as the contacts are separated from, that is the moving contacts are separated from the fixed one. So the extinction of the arc can be with the help of two different methods. One is the high resistance interruption or rheostatic interruption, and second one is the low resistance interruption or current zero interruption. So on the basis of the arc interruption or arc extinction method, we can classify them in two different ways. One is the high resistance one and second one is the low resistance arc interruption method.